UPSC 2023 All India 4th rank holder మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు సిద్ధార్థ్. సో ఆయనతో మాట్లాడదాం. హలో, హవ్ యూ సార్?
Hello, thank you. I'm good.
Okay, you have achieved one of the 4th rank, which is so great. So how do you feel about it?
I'm good. I'm feeling fortunate, feeling happy and lucky also.
Okay. So how are you going to take things forward?
So I'm currently in Indian Police Service training in Hyderabad, West Bengal cadre. So now I've taken leave, and then mostly look at it after training. So there we'll go to Missouri and then look how things proceed.
Okay. So all the UPSC aspirants dream to go to Missouri, and how are you going to, you'll be having training camp over there. So
Like I'm feeling very happy, but I like to keep it simple. Very keep things simple so that I can learn also a lot more better, and then stay humble a little.
so nice. So one thing, as an aspirant, as a rank holder, and now an officer. So how's the difference, and how are you taking it?
So far, not much difference, but the NPA training has actually been a very positive thing in life. So that's pretty much.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.